Hi, everybody. Scott Riley at the Market Update Desk, February 6th, and we're powered by Mortgage One. Definitely got a slower pace day in the market today. We're actually getting a little bit of pullback from the loss that we had the last 2 days, so that's a nice thing to see. Realistically, we're probably going to trade pretty sideways on mortgage-backed securities and 10-year treasuries. Probably over the next week until we get into next week with the likely more favorable inflation numbers that come out with CPI. So I wanted to go over some numbers and some news that came out today. Number one, Black Knight reported that people have a lot of equity in their homes right now. On average, believe it or not, nationally, they've got $300,000 is the average equity, and the average tappable equity, which I'll talk about here in a minute, is $240,000. They also said that combined loan to value for people, the average, meaning the average value of the home compared to the average debt, is 46%. What does all this mean? It has a lot of opportunities for debt consolidation. When we talk about debt consolidation, I'm trying to help customers understand we're looking at portfolio management of debt and cash flow and interest rate. So this debt consolidation is definitely not a negative thing. In fact, two of the people I talked to this weekend were putting refinances together, paying off a lot of their debt. And yes, they had a 3.25%, 3.5% primary mortgage rate. But we look at the mortgage rate plus the other debt that they have, the average or blended rate of that debt was closer to 7.75%. Home equity loans, credit cards, personal loans. So we're combining all that together, increasing their cash flow each month by, anywhere from $300 to $700 a month. Now, what I'm also teaching people to do is use that $300 to $700 a month if it's not affecting your monthly budget. Put that down on the principal of the new loan. And I've got buyers or past clients that are going to pay off their loans quicker than if they never refinanced. So once again, the most important thing is not your interest rate, it's cash flow management and portfolio management and debt management. So if I could help you pay off all of your debt, refinance the home, pay the home off quicker than what you would have before, and that will save you money. Isn't that a positive thing? So we're talking about that with a lot of customers right now. In fact, Black Knight is referencing that there's an estimated 1.7 million people that could benefit right now from a refinance. We don't know where rates are going to be in the future. We know where they are right now. For a lot of people that bought starting in 2023 and of 22, even with the current rates at 6.75, 6.8, 7.5, 7% would save you money. So let's talk about helping you save money. Give us a call and we'll review your specific situation with you. Black Knight also released their reports for November and December showing that home values continue to rise. In fact, they were up 0.1% each of those months and we're at a yearly appreciation rate of 5.2% year over year. So those are very important numbers and very positive for existing homeowners. Now let's talk about other debt. So today, Treasury came out and indicated that credit card delinquencies surged in 2023. In fact, 50% more than the preceding year. That is a huge change, and it tells you that there's stress going on with cash flow for the average consumer. Consumer debt also swelled to 17.5 trillion. It's a T dollars in 2023. Big numbers going on here. Household debt rose to 212 billion in fourth quarter of 2023, and that is up 1.2% from the preceding quarter. So we're talking today as far as consumers. If you have an existing mortgage and you have a low rate mortgage, that doesn't mean you've put yourself into the best financial position. Give us a call. We've got some programs we can put everything in, help you to see if there's money to save, and if so, how much you're going to save. So give us a call. We'll talk about your unique situation and we'll help you out. Give us a call, 616-293-2189. Have a great afternoon.